bumper caps. No, they don't go on your head. It's not like a hat. They're on your shears that have this kind of sound. And there's a bumper, but it is a screw-in bumper. Not a cap for the head, but a cap for the little metal screw-in bumper. Let me show you what they look like, how to install them. This is a Kinchy shear with a screw-in bumper. And you see the bumper's still there. When it's closed, tips are actually overlapping a little bit, so it needs to be out here, not there. So what I want to do is to put a cap on there. I could replace that whole bumper, but it's cheaper just to put a cap on. Now these caps come in right now. These are some multicolored ones. Sometimes they're clear. We sell these. There's no rhyme or reason of what the colors are. And it seems that one size fits all. I've never had a problem with it, so I'm going to pick a purple one since the screw on these is purple. And I don't always have to match it, but it's nice. And then you want to use any kind of glue you have. Now I'm using a super glue. The reason I'm using a new package is all my other glues are dried up and I can't get them out. So if you have suggestions on the type of glue you use for these type of things, please put in the comments below. If you have suggestions on what to do to keep them from clogging up, which as you see I have a lot of problems with that, let me know. So what I want to do is I'm going to open these up and I'm going to put a drop of glue on that head. So I'm going to zip through my struggles with the glue. My general struggles with the glue. So I'm going to give up and I'm just going to put a little bit of glue right here, which is more glue than I need. I'm always making a mess with glue. This is why you need to charge for these type of things, because you don't know what kind of mess you're going to get into. So I got gobs of glue. I'll probably glue my fingers together here. See if I can get some of this excess off. Now where did my bumper cap go? Oh, there it is. And I've already got glue all over my fingers. It's good to carry some glue remover, because when you get this on your fingers, it's not good, but it's there. And that bumper cap is installed. That's all there is to it. Once you get the glue there, you just pop it on. I do this first before I sharpen it because it gives time for that glue to dry. And it gives me time to get the glue off my fingers. So I've got the bumper cap on and let it dry, and that should be fine. Double check your tip and make sure it lines up right. And see with that bumper cap there, the tip lines up correctly. I'll check it again after they're sharpened, but it should be fine.